Birdie. Oh, Sail, look. What's Sailor see? What's Sailor see? Get the bird, Sally. Oh, Sail. Sailor likes the birds. Oh, yeah. Oh, here they come again. Tippy likes the birdies. Come on. See the birds. Come see the birdies. Oh, Sally. Look at that. Your birdie friends. Your birdie friends on the Sunday afternoon. Tippy wants to see. Oh, Tippy wants to see the birdies. Oh, where are they? Where's the birds? Tippy likes the birdies. Oh, there's the big squirrely. Oh, look. There's a big boy. Oh, my goodness. Look how big he is. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, birdies. Sail. Oh, my goodness. Look at that beautiful birdie. Tippy can't figure out where the birdies are. Sunday morning bird watching. Oh, look. Oh, look at the birdies. Berkey, you want to see the birds, Berk? Birdie cats. Get it, Sail. Get that birdie. Oh, get him, Sail. Oh, he floated away. He floated away, huh, Sail? Did he float away? Look who's back, Mr. Squirrely. Mr. Squirrel is back. Oh, boy. Tippy can't figure out how to get that birdie. That's Squirrely. Oh, it's a big boy. He's a big, big, big birdie. Oh, Sail. Oh, look, Sail. Tippy's finally up. Look at Tippy wants to see the birdie, too. Does Tippy want to see the birdie? Where did he go, Tip? Where does the birdie keep going? It's not like the birdies you see in the window. Oh, there was a big bird, and they're real close. Big birdies. Big boys. Oh, look. Oh, look at the babies. Look at the babies. See, Tippy wants to know where the birdie went. Aww. Birdie cats. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, get him. Get him, Sail. Oh, he's a big boy. What? There he is again. Where'd he go? Where'd the birdie go? Where'd the birdie go? Here he's back again. Tippy and Sail, watching the birdies. Look at Tippy. Oh, he likes the birdies. Oh, Seal, get him. Seal, get those birdies. Get. Ooh, boink. Aw, Seal wants to burn. Where did he go? Where'd the bird go? Did he float on the other side? Tippy can't figure out where the birdie went. Where did he go? Where's the birdie? Tippy gonna get him. Tippy gonna get that birdie. Okay. Is that the end of the birdie watch? Big man, want to say goodbye? Oh, Poppy Doodle, he loves birdies.